In this video, I will show you how to make this animation from scratch using SketchUp and D5 render. So let's jump to video. Hello everybody, welcome back again with me, Zul. So today we're gonna make interior model, especially this video pantry model. So this is gonna be our existing. We have this simple room, we have access door here and then a big window opening here. So we're gonna making main pantry around here in this wall, and then maybe there is an island here and a tall unit right here. So let's get started. As usual, let's make from a simple box. I think I wanna give 100 gap from the wall, from left and right. Let's make a mark 100 like this, and then let's give it adjusting panel. So for this project I wanna try making mesh from the outside. It means from left and right side. Let's make adjusting panel 2 centimeters from both of side. Okay, and then I wanna make 65 module. Okay, and then first module from left is gonna be 100 cabinet module like this. Okay, 85 height, standard cabinet height. Group, and then I think we're gonna make it component because I think I want to repeat this module on other side. But first we have to make a tall unit 60. Okay, yeah, 65, 300. It's a floor to ceiling cabinet or tall unit, and then make this another 100 module right here. Then we have 242. Oh, we should make adjusting panel here. Okay, let's make it 2 centimeter thick and 2 centimeter to the front offset. Make it component because we're gonna repeat this adjusting panel into here, and then the outside or left side. Okay, so we're gonna have 240, so we can make 120 module. Okay, like this. Make it component, and then copy to the right side. Okay, we have this main pantry. Now I want to make island, so let's make a box. Let's mark circulation. Let's put 90 from adjusting panel to the front, 90, and then give it 90 for white for island itself, and then I wanna make it until here inside of adjusting panel beside the tall unit, from here to here. Okay, just use same level as main pantry model. Then make it group. Okay, let's see. Okay, and now let's make the upper storage. Let's make gap from here. Let's make it 60. And then let's make module align with our main pantry. So is 30 centimeter from the front, like this. Okay, then make it component. Copy to the right side, and then make for 120. Okay, make it component, then copy to the right side. Okay, we have all the mass. Now let's detail this mass. But before that, I think I wanna make a treatment here. I will fill it because it's gonna be a dead space, so I don't want this dead space. Let's fill it with treatment. First, I think let's make another adjusting panel here. Maybe 5 centimeter. Make it component. And then copy to the left side. Make it component because we're gonna copy it to the right side. Like this. Okay, and then in the inside, let's make base panel first, 2 centimeter for the structure, and then move 1 centimeter like this, and then I wanna make 2 centimeter square box with 1 centimeter thickness for the treatment. Yeah, like this. then make it component, and then copy for, wait, let's measure this first. 90, it's mean 45 times, copy 44, yeah. Like this. So we have this treatment now. The just look more attractive. Then I think I wanna make this panel align with the ceiling. So I think I wanna make we have to adjust this ceiling. Maybe 20. I don't want to align this one, only this. Okay, push for 1 centimeter, and then let's align this thing into the ceiling. Then we can put a curtain here, make it component, then copy to the right side, and then make another panel to here, 1 centimeter thickness, make it component, and then copy to the left side. I think I have idea. What if we make this ceiling I just imagine, what if we make the ceiling up all the way to the wall like this, and then push it, yeah. So now we can make it should be until here, and then add gap 5 centimeter. And now we can make the cabinet inside the up ceiling, so we can put light here. I think that's a good idea. So we can make it all the way, but of course we cannot open this area. We have to make a gap so the cabinet will open properly. yes, and this one also. Okay, now we can put this inside the component because it's gonna be repeat here. Okay, beautiful. And then make this line module. Make it component, of course. No. I think we just like this. The structure and then the treatment. Okay, that's it, guys. Then we have to make this treatment here because it's aligned with the ceiling. Let's pull it to the left side wall and then make it component. And now we can copy 44 times to the right. Okay, nice. Okay, and then we can put the panel here for with 0.6 thickness for covering the wall, so the wall will have same material as a ceiling panel. Let's continue this main pantry module first. Let's make a gap from the floor. Let's make it 2 cm. I wanna make it look sleek. So let's make a gap 2 cm like this. Make for every cabinet model. Yep. Okay, then let's make the top table. I want to use 2 cm thickness, or maybe 1 sheet of marble. Push it 2 cm for every module and make the marble. Okay, 2 cm, make group, and then make also the backsplash. Then push it to the downside of this upper storage. Okay, then I want to make a door here. Let's push it 2 cm, make group, and and then make another group for a door. Make it component, copy to the right side, then push it 2 centimeter, and then make the handle groove. Like this. Okay. Yep. And also make for this module. Push it and make a different group for door panel, like this. Door, maybe door, or maybe this gonna be a drawer. It's according to the function that you need. Make it component, push it 2 centimeter, and then make the handle groove. 0.6. Uh, 1 centimeter, sorry. Yeah. Copy to the right side. Okay, now we have this main pantry. Then let's make this. I think I wanna make this tall unit model. Let's make a gap like another model, 2 centimeter gap, and then push it for 2 centimeter for a door panel, and make a different group for the main body and the door. First we have to make a panel here, and then align with the ceiling, because this is for stopper for the door panel, so the door will still open even the cabinet is going up through the up ceiling. Then I think I wanna make a door for 240. Let's see, where is it? Okay. So it's right here. 2 centimeter thickness for upper storage on a tall unit. Okay, and then another door for the tall unit, and maybe it's I will install appliances here, maybe oven or maybe microwave here, but later. First, let's just make a single door panel. Okay, then we have this line, so we're gonna making this door panel for this upper cabinet. Let's push it for 2 centimeter, make it group, and then make a kind of dead panel align with this lower ceiling. Okay, and for this module I wanna make a 2-door panel like this. Make it component. Okay. Oh, I want to make it single, so let's make unique this one. Make unique also the door. And then push it. Okay. Make it nice. And for this one, I want to make. Oh, sorry. We should be. It should be right here. Align with tall unit door module. Okay, and then copy this door, make unique, and adjust to this dead panel, and copy to the right side, of course. Okay, this one also. I don't know, I think this looks weird, but it's for the function. Okay, let's make another here. Okay, let's see. Yeah. I feel weird in this line. That's weird. Let's delete this and make this door panel into the up ceiling. Yeah, that looks better. Way better. This looks weird. Okay. And I think we need to add. How about 10 centimeter? Yeah, I think the proportion is better like this. Yeah. Centimeter up, and also the door panel. Okay, we don't need this one. Oh wait. Another 10 centimeter. Okay, nice. Now we have this middle door. Let's push it, make it group, and then make a dead panel here. Okay, make it group, and then make a big single door here. Okay, nice, beautiful. This looks better. And then next, let's make this island. So we have this island. It's, by the way, it's aligned with this module, and then stop with this adjusting panel. So let's detail this island. I think I wanna make 2 cm thickness for the top table, and then align structure right here in the middle. And then also 2 cm thickness here. Let's make a hole. All the way, okay. So this is gonna be a marble, then we have to put extra structure here. Let's make another box inside this mesh, like this, and make it group, and then push it for a 30 centimeter. Then detail this box. So the structure should be, let's make another for reinforcement here. I think it's gonna be a metal plate, and then push it 2 centimeter for a nice detail. Circuit component, and then copy it. Let's give this kind of small storage. I don't know it's useful or not, but let's put it here. Let's give it 12. So we have a gap here. Okay. We have 70. Yeah. And make another structure like this. Make it component. And then copy to the left side. And then in the middle. Okay. And that looks more strong. And then for a nice detail, let's make a kind of gap in the middle of the structure. Okay. Okay, nice. And then let's make a gap. 1 centimeter and That's too big. The gap is not slick. Let's make it 0.6. Okay. Yeah, that's better. And also for this box, two centimeter depth, and then 0.16 height. Okay. But we don't need to offset this because it's too small. It will look weird if we offset this structure. Will looks weird. Then let's move to the front. Let's push it 2 centimeter. Then 2 centimeter here, because I wanna make a drawer. Maybe, oh, that's big. Simple drawer here. Make it component. Like this. Then push it for the handle groove. One centimeter, and yeah, that's it. Wait, I think it looks weird. We need to push it more. 2 centimeter, then move the drawer also 2 centimeter. Nah, that looks better. The detail is nice and beautiful. Okay, so we have this island, this pantry model. The next, let's make a wall panel here and a door also. Let's make a door frame first. We need to make a structure here. Make it group and then make a door frame 3 centimeter. Make it component. Offset 5 centimeter from the wall. And then make another structure here, and then align with this tall unit door module. It group and then make the door panel. Yeah, 4 centimeter to the back for the thickness. And then also don't forget to make a 2 centimeter gap from the floor, so it's same design language. as cabinet model. Push it 1 centimeter. Okay. Okay. For the wall panel, just wanna make it simple. 3 centimeter thickness. Okay. Oh, we should make another scene here, I think. I think it's better if we align the panel to the up ceiling, yeah, like this. Then also here. The first is gap 2 centimeter, and then copy this line, align with this top table, and then align with this. I think I want to make it like this. Ah, that's bad. Yeah, like this. Then also make 2 centimeter gap from the floor, and then align okay. And also we need to treat this wall and I will divide it into 5 segment, or I think 5 segment. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's beautiful. Okay, we have detail every corner. Next step, I will make a ceiling treatment, like light placement and maybe a AC trucks and other things. So now we're gonna treat the ceiling. First I wanna put down light, because I don't wanna use a pendant light for this project. I just wanna use down light to make the design sleek and simple. So let's make a mark from here into this island. Okay. And then we can align the placement from our cabinet module, maybe right here. And then or maybe right here. Let's move this one, and then right here. Okay. Because we don't need wall washer here, because it's already up ceiling that provide ambience light here. So now we are focusing on general light first, and then maybe let's put right here. Okay, and I think that it should be also the ambience light here. So I think I want to make it on 5 and then 5. Yeah, like this. So the ambient lights is all the way through the ceiling from here to here. It's like a big L shape. Okay. Okay, and then let's make the armature. Not too big, it's around 6 diameter or 3 centimeter radius. I want to make it smooth. Let's add a segment into 60, and thickness I want to make it very slim, like 0.5. And don't forget to make a line for helping us on placing this offset for a detail and for boundary of the emissive material for rendering purpose, like this. Usually I make like this, make it component and then copy to another mark that we made before. Okay, so this is our general light, and then I think we need a wall washer here for the wall panel. So it should be 30 from the, or maybe 15, I think. Yeah, 15. No, no, no. 20. Yeah, 30 is best, I think. I'm gonna make it 30. Okay. Okay. And then mark. Maybe like this. And then right here. Oh, this is to, yeah, okay, I think this is okay. And then I want to put that's bad, man. The general light is not aligned. Okay, let's move it because it should be aligned. Because it will look really bad if not aligned with this wall panel. Let's make a spotlight or wall washer. It's little, it's only 4 cm diameter or 2 cm radius, and make the segment into 50, make it smooth, another thickness like usual 0.5, make it thin, make it component because it's a repetition object, and make a line for the guide. Don't forget to offset for detail. This is for a rendering purpose, make it kind of more realistic to limit the emissive material. Okay, then copy to other mark. I think right here is okay, and then right here copy to the right side in the middle of this panel, and the last place right here. Okay, and the next we need AC trucks. I think I want to put maybe 30 centimeter. I think I want to put right here. This is for the return and the supply here. Okay, make it 4 centimeter, and then 60 from behind because it's 30 for washer, and then another 30 for the trucks. 30 right here, align with this module 52. Okay, and then also 52 from here. Where's the place? Ah, that's bad. That's bad. It should be aligned with this adjusting panel, I think, or yeah, align with this. I think this is the best place. Okay, and then make the hole for the acid rocks 4 centimeter. Okay, that's it. So yeah, that's the design. It's finished. Now we can put material on it. I think I want to start from the floor. I want to use wood parquet. I have prepared the texture, so let's import it. Okay, I will use this one. Let's place it, apply it, and then change the size. It should be 30. Still small. 150, I think. Make it big little bit. I think 200, yes, best scale. And then let's change the rotation of the texture. The orientation should be aligned with our pantry model, like this. And then next, wanna put a marble. Let's add another texture. I have prepared this marble, and let's make it 250. Let's place it, and then change the orientation. Okay, nice, beautiful. And let's put in here also. Position, that's bad position, by the way. I think it should be like this, and then reapply. Okay, this is bad. We have to change this area. Yeah, okay. Let's take this for other side. Okay, oops, let's use this. Okay, Now this is already good. Okay, beautiful. And then next I wanna put a solid color for this, for our cabinet model. I wanna use kinda, let's see, from the library, kinda mute brown and green. I think it's a good color for this project. So I want to start from this color, edit. Oh, we cannot edit it. And let's just make from 0. Kinda brown gray, I think. Little bit green into brown, and then mute it. Okay, and make it a little bit dark, more mute. This color. Let's apply it and see on the face. Not muted. Muted a little bit. No, that's too gray. Yeah, I think like this. Okay, nice. And apply to every model. Apply it. This one. And the adjusting panel also, of course. And then this module. Okay, and also the wall panel, I think. For the wall panel, I think I want to use more gray, but it's still from this color, but more mute and more light. Let's see on the face. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I'll use this color for the wall panel. Okay, and then for this special treatment I will use a dark brown. Okay, more dark, I think. Yeah, let's see on the face. Yeah, Good, beautiful. That's the color I want. Okay. Okay. And also this model, I want to use this dark brown for the support structure, and then use this color for a model. And also the drawer. Okay. And then we need a black color for the frame. For the window frame and this outer frame. And also for the AC trucks. Okay. Oh, I forgot the door. Yeah, of course. We have to apply the material. I will use the dark color or this one for the door. I think we need more dark, like 15. Yeah. And also the frame. Okay. And then we need the plaster for the ceiling paint and wall paint. Let's add. We'll use from the library instead, because I will change the real texture in the render engine. Let's use plaster. Use this one and then edit. No, I can edit it. Let's add from my library. It's okay. Let's use this texture instead and apply on the ceiling, on the wall, on this wall. Let's see if there is another wall. This one. Okay, all covered. So this is the design. It's finished. The color, the material, and then the detail. It's finished. Now I wanna put a decoration like a chair, maybe some appliances here. So okay, let's put them all. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back again with me, Zul, from Zul Studio channel. Today I'm going to render a pantry model that I made before. So let's get started. Let's click this button, open the file, and open the SketchUp file. Open the SketchUp file, and then it will automatically convert it to a D5 file, by the way. So let's wait. Usually it's longer than normal D5 file. I think it's converting first, so usually first time open it's longer than usual. Okay, almost done, 99%. Okay, before we start rendering, better you save the file first for safety. And then we don't need this second scene. Let's delete it because it's scene from SketchUp. First step, let's make a scene. Let's get it into this room using flying mode. Okay, I think we need to clip it because the room is not too big. Let's change it to 60 and let's try clip it. Okay, we have to playing with the composition to get best view. Let's move to image mode and then turn on the grid, help us on making composition. And then I will change the aspect ratio to standard landscape or 16:9. Okay, it's still too big. Let's try 45. Okay, how about 50? Okay, 50 looks good. I think I will take 50 clipping. Okay, let's turn down the speed to move more precise. Let's turn it down. Okay, I'm trying to get the best composition. I think this is the best. Let's save this scene. Okay, I also save the file to make it safe. Okay, let's get out from image mode. Now we can set the material. And then the first I want setting this parquet. Let's turn off the clipping. Then I will pick wait, the first thing to set is the window and the curtain, because for setting other material we need proper sunlight. So proper sunlight can provide more accurate color and texture. Okay, so let's change this window. I will change it using default glass from the library. Yeah, our sunlight just more strong. And then change this curtain, the first layer. I love to use white gauze curtain. So let's move to fabric and then cotton linen. Go down until you find let's filter it free only because it's a free account, by the way. What is it? I think it's here. This one. This white gauze curtain number 3. So it has a texture and a nice transparent curtain. Wait. That's wrong. It should be the first layer. Wait. Oh, okay. First layer, and then the second layer I will use this linen gauze curtain. Okay. Now the sunlight just more accurate. Yes, looks better. And then let's set the floor material. Let's pick the floor. Then I will give a normal map using this albedo. 0.1 normal, okay. Metallic, of course not, because it's a wood. Specular. Okay, 0.3 is okay. Reflection caustic, I think is no need. I think roughness should be 0.3. I wanna make it look a little bit glossy but not reflective. As you can see, if I change it to 0.5, it's become too reflective. I think I will go with 0.3 instead. And then the marble, of course we don't need normal because I wanna make the marble looks nicely coated. Metallic 0, of course, because that's literally not metal. And then roughness I will go with 0.2. And then specular still 0.3, make it not too reflective. And then we have this solid color material. Let's pick it and then change the roughness to 0.3. And then let's try specular on 0.5. Yeah, looks okay to me. Wait, let's turn off the clip, it's very annoying. Yeah, I think it's nice and doff, it's beautiful. And this one also, we don't need normal. Specular 0.5 and then roughness 0.3. Oh, I think that's too strong. I think we need to turn down the specular. Let's try 0.2. Okay, that looks better. And then next we have a marble. This wood. Let's give it normal map and then roughness 0.3. Yeah, that looks nice, more gloss. let's try 0.5. Okay, looks good. And then I will change the seat. It looks leather. Let's choose from library, go to leather, and then lamb leather or this reddish brown. I think this one is sweet. Yeah, nice, it's suited properly, but we have to rescale. Let's make it smaller. It's mean the stretch UV value is gonna be big. Let's try 30. Okay, nice. 30 is nice. That's one shot. Okay, we have this, and this should be normal glass. Okay, beautiful. And then this should be foliage. Okay, then let's give them a gloss a little bit to make it look nice. Okay, this one, let's change the material. Okay, now looks better. And this one need also the material change, then make it black as a design. Okay, that's beautiful. And then let's give it a roughness a little bit. Okay, okay. Then we have this oven. Let's change the glass material. Okay, now that looks better. And then we have the stove. Okay, let's give them normal map. How about one? Metallic, no. Let's give roughness 0.1. Okay, and then now let's move back to image mode. So I will use how about custom HDRI? How about this one? Yeah. Okay. Let's try this one. Looks good to me. Let's try sun and then a custom direction. Okay, azimuth. Okay, that looks nice, but the intensity should be 0.1, I think. Wow, that's nice. And then let's put a lamp or a light. Wait, I think we need to adjust the exposure. How about 0.2 or 0.5? 0.6. No, 0.1 is the best so far, I think. It's not too dark, but not too... this highlight is very strong, by the way. Let's save the scene first. Let's see. Okay, sun intensity good. This one, the overexposure spot. Okay, let's see what we can do. I think we need to move. Let's try caustic. I think caustic will good. This one. Okay, sunlight intensity 0.05, make it half. This is very strong. No, 0.1. I think we need to change the parquet material. This is too strong. The specular, let's try 0.1, and then roughness 0.4. Whoa, wait. Something wrong with this. Roughness should be 0.3 or maybe 0.5. No, 0.3. Just best. We need to put something here to block the sunlight. It's very strong, or maybe we can playing with effect and then put a vignette 0.5. Yeah. No, 0.5 should be good. Okay, let's save the file and then back to back to the lamp or light setting. First, let's turn on this general light. Oh, okay. I think we need to change the HDRI click this. Background should be 0. I think 0.1 it's okay, or 0.01. That's too dark. I will take 0.1. Save the scene and then let's see how it looks like. Yeah, nice. And then turn down the skylight into 0.1. Okay, that's it. How about 0.2? Or maybe 0.3. I think 0.5 just too strong. How about 1? Oh, that's too strong. Bad. I think 0.5 just enough. Still too strong. I think I will take 0.3. And then don't forget to save the file. Let's turn on this general light by simply click the emissive material that I made in SketchUp. So just pick it and then change it into emissive. I don't want any change on the color, so I will keep it white and then turn up the intensity to 10. Okay. I think the temperature white is flat. I think let's change it. Maybe 3.5K. Yeah. And let's turn this. Wait. I forgot to change the ceiling material. We need a nice wall paint. But don't worry, because it's provided by D5. And here, wall, go through wall, and then you can see where is it? Wall paint, white draft, white wall paint, this one, white wall paint. Okay, nice. And then I saw the strokes. This is metallic, of course. Roughness, let's make it 0.2, and specular 0.1. Yeah, I think like that. And then next, let's turn on the up ceiling right here. Turn it on. Also 3.5K. I think this is the best value so far. And then turn up the intensity into, let's try 25. Okay, now it starts showing. How about 15? Or maybe 5? Not bad, I think. I think the reflection just too strong. Let's make it 0.3 also. And let's back to this. That's very annoying clipping. Let's turn it up, guys. Let's make it 15, I think. Yeah, I think 15 just enough. Then let's turn on the furniture LED. Let's give it same color. I will give them 3.5. And then I will make it 10 intensity. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's try 20. It's still not too strong. Not strong enough. Okay. Okay. But it's still dark here. I think we need to put a spot lamp. Wait. Let's turn down the vignette, make it 0. Okay, still looks okay, even without the vignette. It's already good. Let's save the file. Then we have to put wall washer. Okay, let's put the spotlight right here, and then turn down the radius, and then change the intensity into 1. Make it 3.5K. Oops. Okay, 3.5K with 1 intensity. Let's see from the main scene. It's not showing. But yeah, I think it's beautiful. Let's copy to every okay. let's copy from existing lamp like this, then put it into the wall like this. Okay, and then copy from this location by choosing the green axis and hold wait hold the control, hold the shift, sorry, to copy object like lamp or maybe wall panel treatment. Wait, that's wrong placement. So it should be like this, and then like this, and then copy again to the right side. Make sure every panel has a spot lamp. Okay, now let's back to, oh, this is so dark, by the way. We need something here. It's crazy dark. Let's put some spotlight here. Oh, that's really bad. Intensity 1. Yeah, that looks better. Let's try 2. This kind of cheating. This is cheating, guys, by the way. It's okay to do cheating, but don't do cheating too aggressive, because it will cost your realism. Let's try 5. The angle should be like this. Let's see. Okay, let's set the effect. Let's give a contrast 0.1. No, that's bad. Let's minus 0.1. Okay, I think that's better. How about minus 0.2? .3. No, 0.2 minus 0.2, sorry. I think minus 0.1 is enough. Highlight compress. We don't need that. Wait, the spotlight. Oh, it's already 3.5K. Okay, just to make sure. Now the exposure, let's try 0.7. That's too strong, I think. 0.6. Yeah, I think 0.5 just best. Let's save it. And then bloom, okay. Still okay. Thickness we don't need. The outline. Usually I'm using outline for strength and for the mass and the edges, but I will go with 0.3 instead of full 1, or maybe 0.5. Okay, I will go with 0.5. Let's see. Let's see on the detail. The line, maybe it will annoy the another model, but it looks good so far. Okay. And let's change the white balance. Let's try this. So the default is 6500, but let's try more yellow, which is bad. I will go with blue and sliding into warm. Yeah. Let's keep it default because it's already good. Okay, let's render it. Let's see how is it going, and a final rendering image. I will go with the 4K because I think it's already good. You don't need to render it on a small resolution, just go ahead with 4K. Okay, let's render. Okay, that's it. Let's wait until the rendering time finish. Usually it's less than 5 minutes for interior model. I think it's gonna be faster. Now it's less than 3 minutes. Let's wait. Okay, it's finished. Let's see the result. Okay, it looks beautiful. The detail. Wow. Nice. Lovely. Are you satisfied with the result? Very beautiful, isn't it? So okay, this is the final result, and then I will finish this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. You can see on the screen I have opened our last rendering project. It's been a while, by the way, very long time no see. So this time I will continue this project for making animation. So we need more 5 scene, because my target is making 1 minute animation. So every scene gonna be around 10 seconds. So let's jump into it. Let's see what we have here. Let's turn off the clipping. It's very annoying, by the way. I wanna shoot this detail, I think, so we have to change the field of view. Maybe we can change it to 60. Okay, oops. How about 75? Okay, that looks better, I think. Maybe I wanna rotating move like this, so it should be from here, from left to the right hand side. Let's make it a 2 point. Let's see. Yes, this looks okay to me. Let's add this in. Make it to 1 point. And let's see. This look good, I think. I think we need something out there to make it look more impressive, because it's look flat, I think. But okay, I will put it later, because it's gonna be affecting the entire light of this room. So let's going to conservative, not to shoot this big opening window, just take it small piece of this window, like I said before, to get more conservative. Okay, I think right here just beautiful. Maybe I can make a vertical move like this. Okay, let's turn down the field of view to 60. 75 looks too big for this scene. Okay, yeah, that's nice, beautiful. Let's take this in. We have 3 scene, so it's half. 3 scene to go. Wait, this detail looks good, I think. Right here. Let's try on 45. That's too close. 60 is still the best so far. Okay. Make it 2 point. Oops. Yeah. Make it 2 point. Take this in. So we need 2 more scene. I think this spot looks beautiful. Yeah, right here. Maybe we can walk through this island. Yeah, nice. For scene number 5. Sorry. So yeah, 60 is good. Okay. Camera, make it 2 point. Okay. I will configure the it's align. Okay. I will configure later on a video tab. Let's take this scene first, and then we need the last scene. I think we need. Wait. Let's back to 1 point. This door is not too important, I think. Not that detail. I think from here. Yeah, this detail. I think I don't take this. Yeah, we need this here. We need this. Like a detail shot of the chair. Should be looking good. Let's take this. Okay. Let's arrange them. Maybe this should be the first, I think. This one should be last, the general scene. Okay, rotating not, and then the spot on the left side, and then we can move to general to the right, and then back to this spot, walk through the island, and then the general scene. Okay, but I think we have problem with exposure because it looks not consistent, so we need to edit on the effect. Let's make it 0.6, I think 0.7. I think 0.65 just looks better. Okay, update the scene. This is already good. I think this should be 0.6. No, 0.555. Okay. This looks too strong. Let's make it 0.4. Okay, looks better. And this one looks too dark. Let's make it 0.6. Okay, looks better. And then this one, this is already good because this is the first scene. actually that we made. So we need to change this view into camera. Wait, something wrong here. Okay, we're back. Yeah, I have to convert this scene into camera by clicking this button, add camera, current camera, and then change the aspect ratio to landscape as usual, and then repeat the step for every single scene. On this, very simple, because it's helping us on managing scene on the timeline, so we have to change this. I think it's better than just importing the scene directly to the timeline, because in my opinion it's gonna be a little bit messy on the timeline. So yeah, I just love doing converting the scene into the camera. I think this is best for organizing the scene better. Okay, we have all the scene convert into camera, so you can see on this object we have 6 scene. It's mean the all scene is converted into camera. So let's move to a video mode and importing from the first camera. We have already arranged it, so yeah, we're just importing directly to the timeline by clicking this button and then select camera. Okay, and then let's make the move. I think I want to make a vertical move. Let's change the fly mode, and then playing with depth of field. I think will looks impressive. Yeah, like this. Blur in the back, and then moving up. Okay, and then change focus to this cabinet. Yeah, beautiful. Don't forget to change the movement parameter into linear. Let's add 10 seconds first. Let's see. I think this is too slow, so let's make it 9. Yeah, that's better. Let's add camera number 2. I think, yeah, moving to front move should be good. Let's try on depth of field. It looks strange. I will not use depth of field on this scene. Just a simple moving front move like this. Wait, I think a little bit. Yeah, should be right here. Moving to the front. Nice. Let's put it 10 seconds. Don't forget to change this parameter, the movement parameter, both of them. Change it into linear. That's very slow, I think. Should be 9 again. Yeah, looks better. Okay, let's move to scene number 3. Import this. This is a big scene, so I want to make it rotate into, wait, oops, I think it's only here. Okay, make it 10 seconds. I'm not going to use depth of field here because it's a general view. Yeah, that's okay. 10 seconds. Nice. And then let's move to scene number 4. Wait, I think best move for this scene is like this. Slide from here. I think it should be from here, or maybe from here, without DOF. I think sliding right here. Wait, I think with DOF is good is if we move from left or from this curtain. Let's turn on the depth of field. Focus on the curtain first. Like this. And then change focus to this cabinet. And the depth of field, I think just only 5. Make it 10 seconds, and then let's see. Oh, I have forget to change this parameter into linear. I forgot to change it, guys. Okay, you see? Nice. Yeah, good. We move to scene number 5. Okay, let's see. Oh, walkthrough. Yeah, I almost forgot. I think we can playing with DOF here. Maybe we can put focus on this side panel like this. From 7, and then move, change focus to here, just 3, moving to here. Now let's give it 10 seconds. Don't forget to change this parameter. And let's see. Yeah, nice, beautiful. And then move to the last scene, scene number 6. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is so dark here, I think. Let's change this into 8 maybe. Okay, that looks better. Back to the timeline. I don't know what to move. Maybe I think it not that's bad. Maybe just zooming out move. Let's turn off. Let's see. Let's swap this in. This is gonna be bad on the clipping, but let's see. Oh yeah, that's okay. There is no clipping show up. Yeah, beautiful. Let's make it linear also. So let's see from the first. Okay, we have a vertical move, focusing from chair into the cabinet, then moving front, beautiful, into the main pantry, and then rotating smoothly from left to the right hand side. Then sliding from left to the right to seeing the horizontal view, walking through the island, and then of course the last scene, the general view. Okay, so this is all the animation. I will render it on 2K with 30 fps. Let's add to the queue and then I will render it. So yeah, I think I will end the stream and I will show the result later. I will upload it on my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.